Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about useful idioms. Idioms. Curiosity killed the cat, meaning being too curious can get you into trouble. Idioms. 40 winks, a short nap. Idioms. Old as the hills, meaning someone who is very old. Idioms. Elbow grease, meaning hard physical effort. Up for grabs, meaning available for anyone. Against the clock, meaning rushed and short on time.
Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.